was, having written my little notes, I'm sort of no military historian at all, but having written them, I sort of understood a little bit more about it. What you've got to remember now is that we're in March 1945. Arnhem happened 6 months ago, right? And the whole object, we came over the River Rhine, you saw how big it was. The whole object of the Allies was to get over that massive obstacle. And they thought by going to Arnhem back in September, 6 months ago, and by doing that landing with the paras around the bridges at Arnhem, that they could capture the bridges and get over the Rhine. If they had succeeded, then thinking back to the timelines, this happened in March 1945. The war was over in 2 months' time. If they'd captured Arnhem back in September last year, the war would have been over by Christmas 1944. So you can see why they were trying to do it, and they only just failed, as we'll hear when we go up to Arnhem, only just failed by a matter of sort of 12 hours or so before reinforcements would have helped them to capture the bridges, and the war would have been over. So think Arnhem was 6 months ago. We're now in September 45. The war is almost over. When they land here in their gliders, 12th Devons, and they capture this area, they've captured a bit of Germany, which allows 4th and 5th Dorsets to come over the Rhine in their Buffalo sort of amphibious vehicles shortly afterwards, and then we're into Germany and the war's almost over. So try and get it into the sort of the right timeline, that this is March 45, Arnhem, where we're going later, and tomorrow is 6 months before, although we're doing it roundabout. I hope you understand that.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, ladies, Ian, please.
The following members of the 12th Airborne Battalion of the Devonshire Regiment died nearby on the 24th of March 1945 and are buried in the Reichswald Forest Cemetery, which we will be visiting shortly. They were Private Leslie Bunton, Private Ronald Lapham, Private James Shelford, Lance Corporal Horace Longley, Sergeant Frederick Loosemore, Warrant Officer Class 2 William Marshford, Corporal Walter Pollard, Lieutenant Ernest Wild, Private William Clems and Lance Corporal Albert Pullman.
They shall grow not old, as that we are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
We will remember them.
Thank you.